Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Hey there, this is Fiverrologist and I welcome you all to Freelancing with Fahad. Graphic designing is certainly one of such niches that will always remain timeless in the field of freelancing. If you check this specific field of graphic designing, you will see there are zillions of things that are being sold in this specific field. And whenever we listen about graphic designing, the first thing that comes in our mind is logo designing. But what if you check this competition of logo designing at Fiverr? You see there are no less than 110,000 services available. So if you will make a gig like I will do logo designing for your business, this is not gonna work anymore. Now you have to reduce your competition. Let me tell you how. You have to target the specific type of logos. For example, if I try retro logo rather than just logo designing, there are 2,268 services available in this field, which is a moderate competition. Not much high, not much low, but it is a moderate competition. Similarly, if you will go for the vintage logo, we can see 3,340 services available for vintage logo, which is a little bit high as I see. If you get the results up to 1,000 or 2,000, I think it's a moderate to low competition and you can go for all that stuff. For example, if you try the Twitch logo, it shows 2,809 services available. Okay, now this is also related to the esports logo. These are all also known as the esports logo. You can try that keyword as well. So if I try esports logo, the competition is even lower than the Twitch logo. Now since we are discussing the stuff about esports and Twitch logo, what if I tell you that there are several other things related to this field as well? For example, if you play with the word of Twitch, you can try the Twitch overlay, which comes up with only 1,400 services. You can see these people are also getting orders. Also, if you try the term Twitch panel, there are only 569 services available. If you try Twitch emotes, there are only 1,600 services available. If you will try Twitch alerts, there are only 186 services available. Same is the case with Twitch banner, only 721 services. Check for the Twitch package, it's only 165. Now what if I tell you that there is a certain type of logo which is even less competitive than this specific type of logo designing? Let me introduce you to the avatar logo. The avatar logo, only 358 people are selling this type of service. And those guys who could make avatar logos are highly capable of making cartoon avatars as well, which is also extremely low competitive. So that is all for now. Stay groovy and subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.